Welcome to our video series introducing you to Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll explore navigating the basic spreadsheet. So, how do we get started with Excel? First of all, we need to get started with a new spreadsheet, of course. So you can just choose File, New, and make sure you're on the General tab and just choose Workbook. Okay, and there we go. And as I previously explained, these are called cells. Each of these is a cell. You can make specific ones wider just by clicking and dragging there on the dividers. You can click here to select a row, and yes, you can still, you can continue to change the column width like that. Or as an alternative, we can make multiple row choices by clicking, holding, and dragging like that. We can choose a column by clicking here. Or we can again click, hold, and drag to choose multiple columns. Or we can click anywhere, and it will take us to that cell. And each cell has an address. So this is A17, and it tells you here. H15. J4. And if we wish, we can select the entire spreadsheet by clicking in the corner here. And what you can do then, if you select the entire spreadsheet, then change the width of a column, it changes the width of every column, as you can see. Let's choose the entire table, stretch it out even more, and all the columns have become that wide. Select the entire spreadsheet again, and you can even make rows deeper, like that. But let's actually try to bring things somewhat back to normal. Bring the columns back and bring the rows back. And that will do. So those are the selection options. And you can just click, hold, and drag to make multiple selections, like that. From your starting point here, you can only select around that cell. Or click here and you can only select around that cell. You can click here, hold down the Shift key, and click here to select that, and continue holding down the Shift key and click there to select that. And if you hold down the Shift key, you can make selections like that. You can even make individual selections by holding down Control and clicking, 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 clicking. And you can even make such separate selections if you hold down the Control key while you do it. Okay, I let go of the Control key and then just clicked anywhere to get rid of that selection. So those are some basic elements of Excel. And whenever you enter into a cell, you can also view it here and edit it here. For example, if I typed in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, select the cell, and it also displays it here. So you can type straight into the cell, or you can put the cursor here and make changes here. If I were to type in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, while this cell is selected, enter, and there we go. The change goes into effect immediately. The cells accept text data, symbols, and numbers, of course, and any combination of those. So really, you can put any type of data you want into cells. I'll cover these as we go along, but basic concepts of formatting apply in Excel as well, just as in Word. For example, you can make these bold and italic and underlined and left aligned, centered, right aligned, and so on. The appearance is all very customizable, just like in Word. But really, as I previously explained, the real power of Excel is in the formulas. That's where its real use comes in. So in the next video, I'll start covering in more detail how to get started with formulas.